Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the source of truth, your iPhone, has correct time and is set to update automatically. Once done, confirm Bluetooth and pairing so the watch can sync. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to My Watch Then Clock. This is where the watch either mirrors iPhone time or lets you adjust offsets. Do these steps now so you're operating from a clean baseline, which prevents conflicting manual changes later. Next, decide whether the watch should mirror your iPhone or use a deliberate offset. If you want exact sync, choose Mirror iPhone. This copies the iPhone's automatic time and zone. If you need the watch a few minutes ahead, toggle off mirroring and set the minute offset in the Watch app or on the watch itself under Settings Clock. Make sure the iPhone's time zone is correct and restart both devices if the change doesn't apply immediately. That often forces a fresh sync. To finish, check the watch face and confirm the time matches your expectation. If you still see discrepancies, toggle Mirror iPhone off and back on to trigger synchronization. Keeping both devices updated removes most software-related timing bugs, so install any pending iOS or watchOS updates. If problems continue, unpair and repair the watch from the Watch app. This rebuilds the sync relationship and usually fixes stubborn offsets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.